Hello everyone. In this module, you will learn how to input all of the required insurance information into the Insurance tab and then upload both the front and back of your insurance card into the ATS portal. To begin, you will click on the Insurance tab here at the top to bring you to this page where you will select Add New Insurance. Please look at your card. If you only have one insurance card, it is considered primary. And complete the information. Since this is a fictitious patient, we will add default information. Please look at your card for each file type here. Everything in pink is required. Things in white may be available on your card or they may not, and you may leave them blank. But all pink items must be completed. Please write down the first and last name of the policyholder, which should be on your card as well. Once you have completed all of the information that you have, you will scroll down to the upload area. As you can see, there's very specific information about the file type and size of your card. For this example, I will show you what happens when it does not meet the criteria and you attempt to upload it. So I'll do so by taking this insurance card document and hit save. As you can see, it is not the appropriate file type, so it will not save my document. So I will show you how to create a document that will fit. Go to the area that you have your card saved on your computer. As you can see, that's a very large card and that will not work. So I will zoom out till I have it at an appropriate size. You will then open your snipping tool, which you can search for down here. As you can tell, I use it frequently. And then you will create a new file, and it's just a cropping type of movement. You will then want to save it somewhere where you can easily find it and label it. I'm going to label mine card front, and then I will create one for the card back while I am here. And again, file save and label card back. As you can see, it is now saving as a JPEG file, which is one of the appropriate file types. We will then go back to our ATS portal. Choose file for the card front. I will pull up my card front. You can see that it is right there as a JPEG. And then I will do the same with the card back. At this point, I will hit save in the bottom left corner of the screen. You can see my insurance card was successfully added. If you want to double check and make sure before you mark off on your self checklist that it has been completed, you can click on the menu button, click on your athlete information again, go to the Insurance tab, click on the insurance information, check Edit Selected, and then you can see all that information was in fact saved, and in the bottom left corner now I can see an image of the card front and the card back. This will also allow you, in the event that you need to use your insurance card, you have access to an electronic copy, as well as any of the information regarding telephone number, plan number, things like that you might need to actually use your insurance to find a physician.